If you want a home that you can feel proud of, clean, fresh, and comfortable, you're in the right place. I'm Mark Gellner. I'm the owner of Stanley Steemer of Sebring. For over 44 years, we've been committed to serving the communities we call home. And we have built this business for one reason: to help families feel confident and comfortable in their homes.
My name is Robert George. I'm the branch manager here at Sebring, Florida. I've been here for 29 years. There's been a lot of evolution in the industry over the years, and Stanley Steemer has been at the forefront of all of it.
This company has always been about people, the people we serve and the people who show up every day to do the work. We don't just work here, we care about our community. That leads to a peace of mind and gives you the confidence that you're making the right decisions.
For the past 20 years, been voted the best for carpet cleaning by the Community Breeders' Choice Awards. We're the best.
At the end of the day, it's not just about clean floors or restored spaces. It's about understanding what actually is needed and what isn't before any work begins.
If you want honest answers and a team that treats your space with real respect,
You're in the right place.